What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got Ross's 2016 Audi S6 Headlights. This is the first build that I've done since my accident, so I did this entire build completely from the wheelchair, and so that was nice and lovely and empowering. And this is a real simple build. Basically, I just opened them up, painted all of the internals this nice fine gloss black that's reflecting all of the light back out at us, and also did a body color matched gray stripe right down the middle, and that follows that spike right there. That was the amber reflector. That's been painted a gloss black as well. That paint code is LY7C. It's like Nardo gray, I believe. But I was really excited about this paint scheme because he let me kind of go free and wild, and this was what I came up with. I thought it would be a real nice, tasteful accent. It goes right in between the two DRL tubes I hope you can see in there. Now, in order to open these headlights and not completely destroy this channel, because as you can see, the channel is beautifully unmolested, I cut these lenses apart and cleared out the channels, and these are new aftermarket shells. It does make the open reseal pretty expensive on these things, but it also makes it so that it is a perfect replacement without having to make any sacrifices and accept any damaged bucket as a result. After the paintwork and reassembly, I then had these completely PPF'd, so they have paint protection film on them, which is going to guarantee that they will not oxidize or yellow or fade or chip or crack. They're more resistant to rocks and such. So overall, just a complete package, quality build, and it looks so much better. I can overlay a picture of what these things looked like when they were chrome on the interior originally. So I just think this is a great improvement. And it should be mentioned that these are LED reflectors, so the reflector arrays up there and down there are completely unpainted, so you're not gonna affect any of the light output by any of this modification. Well, that's all I gotta say on these. Pricing and product information is gonna be in the video description, so if you have any questions about that, please be sure to start your journey there. All build inquiries must be submitted via the form on my website. The link to my website will also be in the video description. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I will talk to you later. Peace.